During the visit of Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim to New Delhi, we elevated our ties to a comprehensive strategic partnership. Today, we walk hand in hand as partners towards progress and prosperity. We celebrate each other's success just as our own. I was touched by Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's good wishes on the historic success of Chandrayaan 3. I agree with you, my dear friend. India's success is Malaysia's success. It is Asia's success. That is why I say the guiding word of our relationship is impact. Impact means India-Malaysia partnership for advancing collective transformation. Impact on the speed of our relations. Impact on the scale of our ambitions. Impact for the benefit of our people. Together, we can benefit the entire humanity. Friends, Indian companies have always been keen to work with Malaysia. It is a privilege that we played a part in creating Malaysia's first and Asia's largest insulin manufacturing facility. Over 100 Indian IT companies operate in Malaysia, generating thousands of jobs. The Malaysia-India Digital Council is paving new pathways for our digital collaboration. I'm happy to share with you that India's UPI will come to Malaysia soon. Friends, we share the same blue waters of the Indian Ocean. Across the ocean, we love to visit each other. I invite you all to visit different parts of India. In the past few years, India has seen unprecedented growth in infrastructure and connectivity. The numbers of our airports had doubled in a decade. Highways are being built at a record pace. Modern trains like Vande Bharat are getting international acclaim. I encourage more of you to travel and experience incredible India. You must also bring your Malay friends with you. Don't come alone. Because people to people connect is the cornerstone of our friendship. Friends, when we met in 2015, I spoke to you about India's potential. Now, I speak to you about India's performance. In one decade, India has seen a massive transformation. Then we were the 11th largest economy in the world. Now we are knocking on the doors of the top three. We are also the world's fastest growing major economy. Then, Make in India was a sapling that was just planted. Now, India is the world's second largest mobile manufacturer. Our defense exports have gone up nearly 30 times since 2014. India has also become the third largest startup hub in the world. We have built world's largest digital public infrastructure and the world's largest fintech ecosystem. Nearly half of the world's real-time digital transactions happen in India, thanks to our UPI platform. While growing fast, we also ensured that our growth is clean and green. For example, in one decade, our solar energy has grown about 40 times. Friends, earlier, India was seen just as a huge market. Now, we are a hub for investment and trade. India is seen a trusted partner for growth. Whether it is the UK, UAE, Australia, New Zealand, Oman, the EU, or USA. Countries have trade deals with India. Trust has become India's strongest currency. Friends, India will always embrace you with open arms. That is why we made a historic decision just a few months ago. We extended the OCI card eligibility to Malaysian citizens of Indian origin up to the 6th generation. We have been supporting the Indian Scholarship Trust Fund. Now, we are also going to give Thiruvalluvar Scholarship for students to study in India. And we look forward to seeing you in the Know India program. You will be happy to know that we will soon be opening a new consulate of India in Malaysia. This will bring us even closer. Friends, 1.4 billion Indians want to build a developed India by 2047. विकसित भारत बनाना है ना? विकसित भारत बना के रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे? हम अपने सपनों को साकार करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे? हम सपनों को संकल्प में बदलेंगे कि नहीं बदलेंगे? हम संकल्प को सिद्ध करके रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे? In this journey, our Pravasi Bhartiyas, the Indian diaspora, is a valuable partner. Whether you were born in Kuala Lumpur or Kolkata, India lives in your hearts. You are an active part of Malaysia's and India's progress. You will help realize the vision of prosperous Malaysia and Viksit Bharat. Jumpa lagi. Mikka Nandri.